ANDY-KK4TKW.
A little rushed on the back end. Give me that call sign slowly phonetically, sir.
Kilo, 4, Tango, Kilo, Whiskey.
Kilo, 4, Tango, Kilo, Whiskey. Is that a Roger?
Roger.
Yes, sir. Well, you know, on a call sign like that, you got to go pretty slowly, because that's a slippery call sign, Roger.
Yeah, it's a mouthful sometimes.
Yeah, so you have to enunciate that fairly well if somebody's really going to copy the mail and copy those letters down. What's the name there?
Name is Andy. November Delta Yankee.
Roger, Andy. And where are you located, sir?
I'm in Delano, Tennessee, in southeastern Tennessee.
Yes, sir. And what radio are you running, sir?
The ICOM 7610.
Yes, sir. All right, if you'd be interested in a setup procedure, starts with you verifying that you're in the 100 to 2900 transmit bandpass mode, Roger.
I am.
Alrighty, then move to your compressor on and add a 3 out of 10 or a 30 out of 100. Just a third of the necessary compressor is what we're looking for. Did you find that, Andy? This is Kilo Charlie 9, Victor, Kilo Victor, KK4TKW. You still have a copy?
Yeah, I've lost transmission there for just a second. I'm back now.
Yes, sir. Sometimes I suggest that folks use their lock when they get in a conversation over 30 seconds or so, just to be sure that they don't actually hit the big round button and head out towards Chicago, you know. But anyway, okay, so you've got your compressor on and at a 3, Roger?
It's actually wide open right now, and right there is set at 3.
Yes, sir, that's where we want it. Okay, now move to your ALC with the mic gain in hand, and as you say the magic word audio, spoken as you would speak any other word in a QSO, not stressed or nothing, just audio. Adjust your mic gain until your ALC meter is running mid-scale to 2/3.
Audio. Actually, it's not even going halfway with the mic gain on 100%. I'm running a RE27, so you kind of have to drive them hard.
Roger that. So you're wide open on your internal radio mic gain?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty. What would happen? You wouldn't happen to have a foam windscreen around, would you?
I do, but I don't know where it's at.
Yes, sir. I was suggesting maybe we get that phone windscreen on there, and maybe you could come up on that mic just a little bit closer and see if we could get, get that audio up just a little bit hotter, Roger.
Well, I was backed off away from the microphone. I got up a little closer to it then. Is that better?
Well, we're actually looking for you to be a little bit closer because we want to push that ALC meter to mid-scale to 2/3. Mid-scale to 2/3, and wherever you happen to have to go on the mic gain is fine as long as the meter is running mid-scale to 2/3, Roger.
Okay, well, up there, when I get up on the microphone, I'm running as I'm talking as I'm here. Right there is like mid-scale to a little bit past mid-scale.
Yeah, so, maybe even closer. I'm not really sure, but we want to get that. We want to get that audio up to where the ALC meter is running mid-scale to 2/3, Roger.
Okay, well, right there is mid-scale to 2/3 every time I speak into it.
Yes, sir. Great. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now, do you know where your equalization is for that radio?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go there. And what I wanted you to do is give me 3 clicks more treble EQ than where you are. 3 clicks boost on treble EQ hotter than where you are. Roger?
Okay, right there's 3 clicks hotter than what it was.
All right, I'm listening on my local antenna, my local radio, and I'm good to 100 cycles on my local radio. So what I want you to do is give me about 10 seconds, 15 seconds, tell me about your antenna system, and I'll be able to look at your audio on a spectrum analyzer that's tied to my receiver, and we'll just see what we got there. Roger?
Okay, I'm running a RE27 into a ICOM 7610, into a Intech Titan 3 Model 417A, into what's called a mystery antenna. I think W5GI, I believe was his call, came up with it. It's a 80-meter antenna. Actually, you're supposed to can use it on all bands and not have to use a tuner, but that's not so. I have to use a tuner with mine, but it's up about 35 foot, I guess, and that's the station.
Yes, sir. Okay, on your radio, you have a button called Quick. It's to the right center of your radio, Roger?
Yes.
All right, so I want you to hit Quick and go to, where's Quick take you?
You looking for the drive game?
Now, just hit Quick and tell me what you see.
Record, just where you can record.
Okay, I'm talking about the button marked Quick. It should take you to a drive. Quick should take you to drive. Roger?
Yeah, there's a drive gain on there.
All right, and what do you got for drive gain?
100%.
Oh, really? Well, I think you might want to pull that back a little bit. Pull your drive back to 65. Roger?
Okay, right there is 65 on the drive gain.
All right, now, let's see. Are you running a power amp?
Yeah, I'm running the Intech Titan 3 legal limit.
All right, so you're looking at, have you reduced your radio output level to get your power amp to a certain wattage?
Yeah, I'm only running 60 watts out of the radio.
All righty, so when we pull that drive back to 65, your output is going to come back. So you might have to increase your overall standing wattage there, you know, because 100% drive is too much. You should be, usually stock comes 50, and we'll build it up to 65. But you get past that, and your words start to kind of collide together. It's what it is. It's like a dynamic range cruncher, and so when you pass the 3 dB mark as far as ballistics on the dynamic range of your audio, the words start to just blur. Actually, so we just suggest a 65 on drive, and then if you need to turn your output up to make the amp come out better as far as what you're looking for RF-wise, then I would do that. Roger?
Okay, it's still, I bumped it up about 5 watts, and that put me right back at legal limit.
Okay, so what I'm looking at your audio, your speech pattern looks to be that you come in hot and then you back off of your projection. So what I want you to do is leave your ALC meter out for the next week or something. You've got to do something between as you're talking to folks. So just leave your ALC meter out and be looking at that when you're talking. And what you want to do is, by voice control, you want to keep that ALC meter in the sweet spot, which is mid-scale, between mid-scale and 2/3. So you want to develop a relationship, shall we say, between your voice and the ALC meter. So the longer you look at that meter as you speak, the more control that you'll be able to exert over that meter, and to be able to keep it right in the sweet spot. Roger?
Okay, I was also looking down at the radio, and I should have been looking it up at my monitor. It's a whole lot bigger, and I can tell more about it, but the ALC is just right there where you're talking about it being, just a little bit past halfway when I'm talking.
Yes, sir. That looked really good, really good. That's the consistency is the neat thing, particularly when you're consistently correct. I mean, some folks can be consistently incorrect, I guess, but the whole idea is I think that last transmission was just perfect. So, you know, as you're looking at what you're doing there and controlling that ALC meter, I think things are going to be great. Roger?
Somebody call the police.
Roger, roger.
And if you want to hear your audio, if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for KC9VKV, followed by the word logbook, that will take you to this recording. Roger?
What was the call again?
Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, followed by the word logbook. Roger?
Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Charlie Victor logbook, right?
Victor Kilo Victor. Roger?
Okay, I think I got you there. Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor logbook.
Yes, sir. On a YouTube search, and we'll have it uploaded by noon tomorrow. Roger?
Alrighty, I appreciate the help, and sure thank you, KK4TKW.
Roger, Roger, Andy 73, sir. Have a great afternoon. Beautiful weekend. This is the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net. If you have a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.